Hi, welcome to Bloom Accounting. Medical expenses are one of the most overlooked non-refundable tax deductions. Most Canadians know that they can claim some of their medical expenses, but many are unsure what and how much they can claim, and whether it's worth it, considering you need to tally up all the receipts. So how much money in terms of tax savings are we really talking about? You can receive a tax credit for about 15% of eligible medical expenses over your threshold. Now, the threshold is the lesser of 3% of your income, or $2,479 for the year 2022. In other words, if your medical expenses exceed 3% of your income, or $2,479, then you would want to claim medical expenses. The medical expenses must have been paid within any 12-month period, ending in the calendar year, except in the case of a deceased taxpayer, in which case you can claim expenses paid within 24-month period, ending in the calendar year. In terms of unclaimed medical expenses, you can't carry them forward. However, you can amend your prior year's tax return. The medical expenses also must be listed as eligible medical expenses, as described in section 118.2 sub 2. I will post a link to CRA websites where you can specifically search for the type of medical expense to see if it's actually eligible. Most common medical expenses include prescription drugs, health-related devices, equipment, supplies, prescribed prescription glasses, eye exams, dental fees, and much more. And finally, you must have not been reimbursed for the expenses. For example, if you paid for the expense first and then submitted to your extended health plan for reimbursement, then those medical expenses do not qualify. However, if you paid for any out-of-pocket for unreimbursed portion of the expense, you can claim that portion. Finally, you can also claim the extended health premiums you paid out of pocket if you subsidized the plan at all through payroll. I suggest check your pay stub to see if any portion of the extended health plan was deducted from your net pay. I hope this video helps. Keep blooming, stay safe, and stay healthy.